Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your profile picture on TikTok. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. TikTok gives its user complete creative freedom and the material to boost their creativity. Your profile picture is a way for people to recognize you. Similar to other apps, you can also change this feature when needed. However, TikTok opened more door by allowing user to add video as profile picture. So how to do it if you want to change your profile picture on TikTok? It's so simple. So first of all, first we have to open our TikTok. Now I can go to our profile. As you can see, here's my profile and I want to change it. You can just tap on edit profile. You'll find there is an option change photo. You can just tap on that. You can take photo or from camera or select from gallery. I will choose for my gallery. I will choose this picture. Now you can just tap on next. You can post this photo to your story, but if you don't want, you can just remove the checklist. Now you can just tap on save. You can go back. So now your profile picture will be turned out like this. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change profile picture on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.